Hello guys, welcome to my new upload. This is my new drawing. Let's check out in this video how I did this. I completed this drawing in 6 different parts: sketching, iris, skin texture, texture green bamboo, frog belly and lower back, and frog hands. To get the popping eye effect, I am gradually applying blue and dark grey colors at the circumference of the eye and light color application like orange, yellow and some white between the circumference and eyeball. I'm constantly applying more layers over layers to get the good effects. Though the eye is likely to be appeared orange, but do not apply just orange. Make it with yellow, white and little orange to avoid the flat impact. Let's start with the skin texture with green, yellow and some blue. Always keep in mind to apply light pressure and hold the pencil slant for better shading results. As we are drawing on the white paper, I am just leaving the portion of highlights without coloring with any color. To shade the textured bamboo, I am using these colors and applying my innovative technique to get it done. Watch it carefully, you can also try this. I am overlaying colors in order of dark, light, dark and mixing up. It's a mono eraser. You can use any hard eraser to mark the joints. I used 90% student grade colors pencil and few Prismacolor, just few Prismacolors. Moral of the line is always focus on the learning, not on the materials used. Moving a little faster as this is repeated shading process. For belly and lower neck portion, I am mixing up some watercolors. adding up some small dots to make texture and highlights. Thank you guys for watching this video. I am hoping for your feedback and suggestions.